Alright, welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be directing you guys how you can be setting up external Pro VPN application. So I beg you guys to like this video. I beg you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech updates about the VPN applications. So I start up the tutorial. I'm going to open the Google Play Store and then I download this VPN application called external Pro VPN application. So as you see the logo, it will be looking like this and it will be from the RR technology. After downloading it, I make sure to open it. And this is a note to all of VPN users, most especially who are going to be using it to access it in any way. Our VPN is intended for lawful purposes only. We do not condone or support the use of the service for illegal activities, including but not limited to copyright infringement, hacking, or fraud. Users are solely responsible for their actions while connected to our network, so we are not responsible for any misuse of the application. So you are going to join their Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates from the administrators, and then for me I'm going to be placing later. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to go right here, and then I'm going to go right here where you have the update, and then I will check for the updates until I see a word that no updates are available. After seeing that word, I'm going to go right here where we have the server right here, and then I'll choose a server nearest to my location. Dear guys, I beg you to like this video. Please help me and subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with all important updates from my Tech community. So you're going to choose the auto server, and then you're going to go where we have the network right here, and then you will be choosing, you're going to search UDP, and then you're going to look for a UDP network, the first one, which is all country UDP tunnel, and we shall be connecting on that one. But you can choose a server from your country. For example, those from Oman, you can choose that one. Morocco, Pakistan, Uganda, Cameroon, Iraq, Brazil, Guyana, Thailand, you can be choosing a server from your country, but I recommend us to use the all country UDP so that you can connect our VPN application. I beg you guys to like this video. I beg you, if you get any problem, rush to the comment section. We are going to be there available in the comment section to help you. Don't forget to subscribe. After doing all that, just go and press the connect button, or this big button, and then you will be accept the VPN service, and then wait for a few moments. As you see, the VPN application has connected successfully. I sign out.